You're probably using ChatGPT like everyone else, asking questions, getting answers, maybe even generating some content. But here's what most people don't realize. You're barely scratching the surface. While you've been chatting with AI, something way more powerful has been quietly emerging. I'm talking about AI that doesn't just respond. It actually plans, takes action, and gets things done for you. And OpenAI just made it ridiculously easy to build these AI agents with something called AgentKit. Trust me, what I'm about to show you is going to change how you think about AI assistants forever. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. Join our community of AI enthusiasts. Click the newsletter link in the description for weekly analysis delivered straight to your inbox. So in this video, we're diving deep into OpenAI's AgentKit, a complete toolkit that just dropped in October 2025. I'm going to walk you through exactly what makes these AI agents different from regular chatbots, show you the actual tools and memory systems that power them, and then we'll explore a real day-in-the-life scenario that'll make you think, I need this in my life right now. By the end, you'll understand why this might be the biggest shift in how we interact with AI since ChatGPT launched. First up, let's talk about what AgentKit actually is and why Sam Altman called it a game changer for building AI workflows. What makes AgentKit different? Here's the thing about AI right now. Most of us are still using it like a really smart search engine. You ask a question, you get an answer, maybe you have a back and forth conversation. That's useful, sure, but it's what I call reactive AI. You're always in the driver's seat, steering every single interaction. But what if your AI could actually think ahead? What if it could take your goal, break it down into steps, use different tools to accomplish each step, and come back to you with the job done? That's exactly what OpenAI's AgentKit enables, and it's available right now. When OpenAI announced AgentKit in October 2025, Sam Altman put it perfectly. It's everything you need to build, deploy, and optimize agent workflows with way less friction. Translation. The barrier to creating powerful AI assistants just got dramatically lower. Until AgentKit came along, building these kinds of AI agents meant cobbling together different tools and writing tons of custom code. AgentKit changes all that. Here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about developers building apps. This technology is going to trickle down to regular users, giving us AI helpers that can actually manage parts of our lives. We're talking about AI that's proactive, goal-driven, and capable of handling multi-step tasks without you babysitting every action. How AgentKit works. The 3 core superpowers. Let me pull back the curtain and show you what actually makes these AI agents tick. At its core, AgentKit gives AI agents 3 superpowers: the ability to use tools, the ability to remember context, and the ability to plan complex tasks. Understanding these mechanics will help you realize why this is such a massive leap forward. The tool integration magic. Here's something most people don't realize about ChatGPT. It's basically an isolated brain with no hands. It can think and talk, but it can't really do anything in the digital world. AgentKit changes that completely by giving agents access to tools and external data sources. OpenAI built in powerful tools right out of the gate: web search, file search, and even the ability to use a computer for certain operations. But it gets better. They introduced something called the connector registry, basically a universal adapter for your agent. Through this central admin panel, developers can plug agents into all sorts of services and databases. There are already pre-built connectors for platforms you probably use every day: Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and dozens more. What this means in practical terms is that your AI agent suddenly has hands and eyes in the digital world. It can reach into your file systems, pull data from your favorite apps, and actually take actions on your behalf. It's not just sitting there chatting. It's out there getting stuff done. Memory that actually sticks. You know how frustrating it is when you're talking to a basic chatbot and it forgets what you said 3 messages ago? AgentKit agents are completely different. These agents can maintain memory of your conversation and state across multiple steps of a task. They manage sessions so they can preserve and recall information as they work through complex workflows. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you're using an agent to plan a vacation. Early in the conversation, you mention your budget is $3,000 and you prefer direct flights. A traditional chatbot might forget those details by the time you're discussing hotels. But an AgentKit agent, it remembers. It uses those constraints throughout the entire planning process. This longer attention span makes the agent's help feel coherent and personalized, like you're working with someone who's actually paying attention and building on what you've already discussed. This memory capability is absolutely crucial for handling the kind of complex, multi-step tasks that make agents genuinely useful. Planning, like a real assistant. Okay, this is where it gets really cool. Traditional chatbots are pretty linear. You ask a question, they answer, conversation over. But AI agents built with AgentKit are fundamentally different because they can actually plan out multi-step tasks and work through them with real autonomy. These agents are goal-directed. Give them a complex objective, and they'll decompose it into subtasks, figure out which tools to use for each step, and iterate until they've achieved the goal. Here's a simple example. If you tell an AgentKit agent to organize my morning schedule, it doesn't just give you advice. It breaks that down into actual steps. Check your calendar, identify open time slots, draft an email to confirm a meeting, set a reminder, and it chooses different tools and operations for each step. Under the hood, OpenAI provides something called Agent Builder, a visual drag-and-drop canvas where you can define workflows and decision logic without writing heavy code. Think of it like designing a flowchart for your agent's brain. OpenAI actually compared Agent Builder to Canva for building agents, which gives you an idea of how user-friendly they're making this. But wait, it gets even more sophisticated. AgentKit supports multi-agent orchestration, which means your agent can delegate tasks to specialized sub-agents when appropriate. Picture this. You have a main triage agent that receives your requests. If you ask about scheduling, it hands you off to a calendar specialist agent. If you need research, it routes you to a research agent. All of this happens seamlessly in the background. The interface and safety layer. Having a super smart agent is great, but you also need a way to interact with it that doesn't feel clunky. That's where ChatKit comes in. OpenAI's ready-made, customizable chat interface that developers can embed into apps or websites. It handles streaming responses, conversation threads, and even shows you the agent's thinking process. For you as a user, this means smooth, conversational interfaces built right into the apps you already use. And here's something crucial. If an AI agent can take actions like sending emails or modifying data, it absolutely must be trustworthy. OpenAI baked in guardrails that act as a safety layer to prevent unintended or malicious behavior. They can detect and block personally identifiable information from leaking, stop dangerous instructions, and prevent jailbreak attempts. On the optimization side, there's evils for agents, tools to measure and improve agent performance through step-by-step trace grading and automated prompt optimization. The bottom line? AgentKit abstracts away the heavy lifting, letting creators focus on ideas and use cases rather than reinventing the wheel. And that means we're about to see an explosion of creative, useful AI agents appearing everywhere. Real-world use case, a day with an AI assistant. Let's make this concrete. I want you to imagine a scenario that could literally be your life in the very near future. We're going to follow someone I'll call Alex, a busy professional who's set up an AgentKit-powered assistant. Watch how this unfolds. Morning routine, the agent that works while you sleep. It's 6 in the morning, and Alex is still asleep. But the AI agent, already working. The agent has secure access to Alex's calendar and email, and its morning goal is simple. Make Alex's day as smooth as possible. It checks the calendar and notices Alex has a meeting downtown at 9:30 and a project deadline by noon. The agent immediately starts planning. First, it pings a traffic API to check the morning commute. Heavy traffic. Not good. The agent proactively sends Alex a text suggesting leaving 15 minutes early. That's not something Alex asked for. The agent saw a problem and handled it. Next, the agent scans overnight emails. There's one mentioning a document needed for that 9:30 meeting. Without being prompted, the agent uses its file search tool to locate the document in Alex's cloud drive and pre-downloads it. It's anticipating needs. And because Alex mentioned once that morning news briefings are helpful, the agent pulls up industry news, summarizes it, and has a clean brief ready. By the time Alex wakes up, there's a friendly message. Good morning. I've checked your schedule. Due to traffic, I'd recommend leaving by 8:30. I've also prepared the report for your 9:30 meeting and a brief news summary. Let me know if you need anything else. None of that is fantasy. Every single action, traffic checking, file management, news summarization, proactive messaging, is completely achievable by an AgentKit agent using the tools we just discussed. Work tasks, your AI colleague in action. Fast forward to mid-morning. Alex is deep in focus mode and then, ding, an urgent email from a client arrives. Normally, this would be a huge interruption. Not anymore. The agent is monitoring high-priority emails because Alex set up a workflow rule for this. It recognizes the urgent flag, reads the email, and immediately drafts a polite acknowledgement. But here's the key. It doesn't just send it. The agent pings Alex. You received an urgent email from client X about topic Y. I drafted a quick response. Would you like me to send it? Alex glances at the draft in ChatGPT, makes one small tweak, and replies, yes, send it. Done. Alex just delegated an entire task while staying in control. That saved probably 15 minutes and preserved focus. Throughout the day, the agent juggles background tasks, watching folders for expected files, running quick data analysis when needed, even handling complex workflows like take the new sales data, generate a summary graph, and insert it into the draft PowerPoint. All of those steps, connected and executed autonomously, while guardrails ensure the agent doesn't overstep boundaries. Smart home integration. After work, Alex messages the agent, I'm heading home. The agent checks traffic, 45 minutes, and starts orchestrating. It signals the smart thermostat to warm up the house to Alex's preferred 72 degrees. It even talks to the smart coffee maker to have a fresh cup ready shortly after arrival. On the drive, Alex asks the agent to order dinner from my usual place. The agent, having stored Alex's favorite restaurant and order in its memory, places the order using an online ordering API, timing delivery perfectly. Here's the difference from current voice assistants. This is all one unified agent. The same assistant that handled work emails and calendar is also controlling the home and ordering dinner. It's not a patchwork of different assistants. It's one coherent AI that orchestrates your entire life. By day's end, you can see how an AgentKit-powered agent could genuinely transform productivity and quality of life. It handles routine tasks, coordinates across different domains, anticipates needs, and frees up mental bandwidth. And Alex is still in control. The agent amplifies capabilities without taking away autonomy. The future of AgentKit and AI agents. So what's next? If AgentKit is the beginning of a new era, where is this heading? First, OpenAI is already working on major additions like a standalone workflows API and agent deployment directly within ChatGPT itself. Imagine opening your ChatGPT app and spinning up your own custom agent with a few clicks. No complicated setup required. OpenAI has hinted that ChatGPT will soon have agent or workflow tabs where your personal or work agents could live. This brings agent technology to everyone, not just developers. Looking further ahead, OpenAI envisions that agents will soon become integral to the workforce, significantly enhancing productivity across industries. Rather than replacing humans, these agents will serve as tireless assistants handling repetitive grunt work, preparing reports, scheduling meetings, pulling data, freeing you up to focus on strategy, creativity, and relationship building. As the underlying AI models advance with GPT-5 and beyond, these agents will get dramatically better. They'll become faster, more intuitive, and able to understand not just text but voice, images, and real-world sensor data seamlessly. We're also likely to see longer-term memory features become standard, where an agent that has interacted with you for months builds a deep understanding of your preferences and goals. We might even see entire networks of agents coordinating on complex projects. Imagine organizing a large event with an event planner agent, coordinating with specialized budgeting, vendor contact, and marketing agents, all sharing information automatically under your guidance. From a societal perspective, as AI agents become commonplace, they'll reshape how we work and live. Professionally, they'll automate mundane tasks and act as force multipliers. In our personal lives, they could become like a digital second brain, managing bills, groceries, subscriptions, social plans, birthdays, all that mental overhead handled. And OpenAI isn't alone. Google launched their Agent Development Kit, Microsoft has AutoGen, and other players are building their own toolkits. This competition means rapid innovation. These agents will become more user-friendly, perhaps even no-code solutions, and embedded everywhere. Your smartphone, your car, your kitchen appliances. We're building toward an Internet of Agents coordinating the Internet of Things. The timeline? Some of this is already here. Mainstream adoption into ChatGPT and consumer products will probably unfold over the next 6 to 12 months. The more advanced stuff, deep multi-agent orchestration, year-long memory, full smart home integration, that's looking at 2 to 3 years, maybe sooner. Conclusion. OpenAI's AgentKit represents a genuine leap from simple chatbots toward truly autonomous AI agents that can plan, remember, use tools, and accomplish complex tasks. We've covered how it works with its tool integration, memory systems, and planning capabilities. We walked through a realistic day with an AI assistant that should have made you realize just how transformative this could be. Looking ahead, we're just scratching the surface. As these agents become smarter and easier to deploy, they'll become woven into how we work and live. For those of us who love experimenting with cutting-edge technology, this is an incredibly exciting moment. The tools to build advanced AI assistants are no longer locked away. AgentKit is lowering that barrier dramatically. So take a moment and think about your own life. What repetitive tasks are eating up your time? What would you delegate if you had a tireless, intelligent assistant available 24/7? Because the technology to build that assistant is emerging right now. OpenAI has given us a Swiss Army knife for AI development with AgentKit. As they say, we can't wait to see what you build. The next breakthrough AI agent that transforms someone's everyday life could very well be something you create or use. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive. If you found this valuable, let me know in the comments what kind of AI agent you'd build first. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the cutting edge of AI. We're living through a genuinely historic moment in technology.